So the title of my project is Procrastinator's Guide to Note-Taking, Analysis of Note-Taking Strategies on Short-Term Method. The purpose of this experiment is to see which method of collecting notes has a more positive effect on tests or exams. This could help the process of learning and memorization skills. Background: the temporal lobe is responsible for memory. Intense cramming is memorizing notes in a short amount of time. Easy comprehension level makes easy understanding. Passage easier if related to person. And three types of memory are recall, recognition, and association. We're excited. Testable question: how does the method of note-taking affect test scores if only allowed to take notes for only 5 minutes? If we use different note-taking methods, then sentence notes will produce the bigger test scores because the notes will be in more detail, which will cause less anxiety as compared to 50 notes and make it easier to memorize or study. The less anxiety, the better ability to recall facts, raising test scores. Variables: method of note-taking, responding variables, score on exam, control variables, amount of time to take notes, article subject, amount of time to take tests, and notes allowed, and amount of time to study. Procedure: so you gather 25 people and you organize them in rows and you basically hand out paper, let them take notes, and then you start the timer after 5 minutes, and then you let them study the notes for 1 minute, and then you pass out the test, and let them take the test. Results. Bullet notes had a variation of 2 to 5. Sentence notes had a variation of 2 to 5. Sentence notes beat bullet notes by average of 0.175. Discussion: sentence notes had an average of, or had a mean of 3.925. Bullet notes had a mean of 3.7. Sentence notes on average beat bullet notes by 0.175. It shows little difference between the two to have any noticeable results. And some errors were wrong, were some typos in the test. Revision should be made. More participants, only 40 results for each test subject, and adequate time. 5 minutes might not have been enough for people to take notes. And you could possibly go further in this experiment by using color or amount of time between the studies and what the data means in the big picture is you can now use different note-taking methods to help you out in further tests. The validity measure was we used 20 people. Yeah. Conclusion: my hypothesis was correct, but there is very little difference between the two to actually show anything. And that's it.